All right, boys and girls, continuing on with our contraction action. 2 words put together, kick out some letters, throw in that apostrophe, okay? We are going to be working in our workbook still, and we are going to be on page 81, 8-1. So go ahead and grab that, get it started, get your pencil, and here we go. Don't be a fool on the playground. Do not be a fool on the playground. Proofread the passage. Cross out any contractions that have not been written correctly and write them correctly on the above the crossed out words. All right, again, 1 sentence at a time. It's important to behave on the school playground. Did you see a mistake? It should be, it is, which means it should have our apostrophe on there. Okay, got to have an apostrophe, otherwise it's not written correctly. That's what our teacher, Miss Shapiro, tells us, and she's right. See any mistakes? That is, the apostrophe's in the wrong place. It should be apostrophe S, that is. And there's another one in that sentence. She's should be apostrophe. Got to have your apostrophe there. Replaces that is the I. If we don't follow the playground rules, kids might get hurt. See one? Don't. Do not. And remember, with not, the apostrophe replaces the O in the word not. Don't follow the rules. For example, if you break a glass on the playground, it'll shatter into sharp pieces. It will shatter. And so we're taking out the WI and replacing it with our apostrophe. A child might step on broken glass and get cut. No contractions there. Read each sentence, write the contraction above each set of underlined words. We're going to do 1 together, and then you're going to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own for a discussion post back on Schoology. I hope we will all learn to follow the rules of the playground. So we're going to put we will together, and that turns into wheel. Okay? So you are going to do 2 through 5, and then you're not typing in the whole sentence. You don't need to do that. I just want you to type in the contraction. Number 2, just the contraction. And you might need help finding the apostrophe on the keyboard. So you might need to ask mom and dad, because it's not a comma, it's up top. The apostrophes are up top. It looks like a comma, but it's at the top, okay? So I don't want to see that. That's where it's at the bottom. Apostrophes are up top. Okay, so again, you might need help finding it on the keyboard. So make sure you go ask mom and dad so you get it correctly, so you don't get points taken off. Okay, and tomorrow we will finish up our lessons on contractions for a fabulous Friday. And again, don't forget to ask for help if you need help on the keyboard for your contractions and your apostrophe.